Well, I killed one off camera. My big camera ain't working, so surprise, surprise. Get it, bud. Get it. That one came over me pretty high, but all right. Sit. Give it. Sit. Get. Good boy. All right, first dove of the year. All right, leave it there. Right there, buddy. Right there. Get in. Here. Here. Here, Bo. Good boy. That's two. Took 3 shots, but I got him. Sit. Give it. Good boy. Good boy. Alright, number 2. Please tell me the camera's on. Guess the doves are starting to fly. Put these doves in that bucket so the ants get to them. Ants get on in about 2 seconds. Hopefully we get some more of these things. My goal is to get 10. So ours already ants on them. What I tell you, ants get on quick. Bo, how'd you not see that deer? Oh yeah, somewhat paid off. Look at the fleas. Bo, how'd you not see him hit the ground? Wait. There, here. I don't need him. Hey, where'd the dove go? Where'd the dove go, Bo? Bo, where's the dove? Are you serious? Don't tell me you ate that thing. Bo. Oh, okay. I was about to be mad at you. Okay. The camera kind of fell off. Dude, where'd you put the dove? Why you keep dropping it, Bo? Bo, where'd you put it? Bo! Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, let me just see it. You're gonna drop it and I'm gonna lose it. Here, Bo. Let's see. Alright. I got that one. That was a good shot. He flew right over my head too. Or was about to fly over my head. Nah. Gotcha. Who's it? Here, Bo. Oh, shoot. It got up. Oh, dang it, no. Dang it. Can't remember the spot right here. Oh, I just remembered. Let's go get this other dove. Here. Good boy. Here. Give me. Thank you. Number, I don't know. 5, I think. Should have been 6. Gotta go after that dove over there still. Ooh, number 6. Hold up, though. Might be about to get some action. I just saw that thing go down. Man, that's gonna be a needle in a haystack. Ah, there it is. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I found that. Jeez. Oh, I got lucky. I got big time lucky. He ain't doing nothing. I mean, I saw the thing fall. And there it is. Wow, okay. Found it. Anyway, there's the dove. Dude just went down right there. Not playing around. Number 8, I think. No, 9. 9, I think. Oh yeah, that thing just went down. About 40 yards, I don't know. Nah, about 30 yards in front of me, but he was so low in the weeds, I really couldn't get a clean shot. I got him in. That's number 10. We're about to head to the house. All right, that's it.